Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive straight into how to use UpBase for your crowdfunding campaign management, your complete guide for 2025. Step 1 is to set up your account. Go to the UpBase website and click Sign Up. Fill in the required details and create your account. It's crucial because this is where you'll manage your campaign, track your progress, and engage with your backers. Now that we've done that, let's move to Step 2. Creating a new campaign. Navigate to the Campaigns tab and click on New Campaign. Fill in the campaign details: name, description, funding goal, and deadline. The reason we do this is to provide potential backers with clear information about your project, its purpose, and the funding required. Next up, Step 3, adding rewards for backers. Go to the Rewards tab in your campaign page and click on Add New Reward. Input details like the donation amount, reward description, and estimated delivery date. This helps us because rewards motivate backers to contribute to your campaign as they get something in return for their support. After we've added rewards, the fourth step is to promote your campaign. Use UpBase's built-in social sharing tools to share your campaign on social media platforms. This is crucial as it increases your campaign's visibility and attracts more backers. Finally, Step 5. Tracking your campaign progress. Go to the Dashboard tab in your campaign to track progress towards your funding goal. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UpBase provides real-time data on contributions, helping you understand which promotional strategies are working best. So there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you can set up, launch, and manage your crowdfunding campaign using UpBase. Remember, the key to a successful campaign is a clear goal, enticing rewards, effective promotion, and constant monitoring. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with your crowdfunding journey.